Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Russian salad or cold wheat salad. This salad is creamy and tastes delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to parboil few vegetables. Boil water in a pan and add in salt as needed. Add in 2 diced potatoes. Cook the potatoes for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure not to overcook the veggies. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove it from the water. To the same water, add in 2 diced carrots. The potatoes and carrots must be almost of similar size, so cut it accordingly. I have cooked the carrot for 10 minutes and removing it. Carrot should be little crunchy, so do not overcook it. Add in half a cup of frozen green peas. Cook the green peas for 5 to 6 minutes and switch off the flame. Vegetables are parboiled and let's move on to the next step. This salad is so easy to make. We are going to mix all the ingredients and the salad will be ready. Take the boiled carrot and potato in a mixing bowl. Add in half a cup of diced cucumber, boiled green peas, 1 diced apple, and 1 cup of chopped pineapple. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In goes 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Add in half a cup of thick fresh cream. In goes 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I have used Viva eggless mayonnaise and Amul fresh cream. Mix all the ingredients nicely so that it combines well. Slice all the vegetables and fruits almost to same size. The salad tastes best when served cold. Chill the salad in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Russian salad or creamy veg salad is ready to be served now. This salad will be creamy, little sweet and taste delicious. Do try this easy Russian salad and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.